Ladies, gentlemen, today I have an exciting episode for the shoe game. I just picked these up today. They came out today. So this is a release day pickup for the shoes day. And as some of y'all are gonna notice the box already, we have the Jordan 1 Retros, the Lost and Founds, or they were called the Reimagines early on at first. So this is gonna be a little longer video because we have a lot of detail to go over with this shoe. And this is the first time I'm unboxing them. So I'm gonna go over them with you guys as we go through. So you can tell this is supposed to, so the theme or the idea behind this shoe is that it's supposed to look like or resemble the original 1985 Chicago Jordan 1. The first Jordan 1 that was released in 1985 or 86, somewhere around there. I believe it was 85. But so the box is the old school Nike box. They kind of did like this wear paint to make it look like an old box. And you're gonna see that that's the theme for this shoe. This sales sticker is just how they would have in an old school sales shop. And so now we're gonna open it. And here's paper. So you can see that's Jordan when he signed his Nike deal right here. On the paper, the must-see the as seen on TV, the original Jordan logo. $59.97 is what they were going for back then. This is actually the Nike Air Jordan. So this was actually, I believe, the same year of the Nike Air technology. And so they decided to collab with Air Jordan. So we're gonna open, we're gonna be very careful with the paper. So again, these released today. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. It is the November 19th, 2022. They retail for $179.99. So after tax, it was $194.84. Online right now, I believe before the release, they're going for 500 something. As of today, that I just checked 10 minutes ago, they're going for about $420 for a size 12, because these are the size 12 right here. So if you look at the bottom, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it kind of, there you go. The coloration's kind of faded on purpose, again, to make it look like it's an old vintage shoe. And so very similar with the Visionaires. If you guys watch the Visionaire video, it has that pre-crackled, like almost like the pre-aged type of look on the shoe right here on the top. But then the rest of it's pretty much the same. Again, here, if you can kind of see, it kind of has some crackling going right here on the toe box, but on the sides right here, it's that standard genuine smooth leather. Here, the tongue is just your soft material. And they come with the black laces, and it's not a white. It's almost like a off-white or maybe like a white with a hint of cream on it. But it looks kind of solid white because I have the flash on the camera. And then it just comes with your inside, just your standard looking Jordan. And then I'm gonna grab the other one so you guys can see them side by side, just like that. Pretty nice. I believe once these get worn a lot. Oh, and I also did mention, so we also have crackling right here on the side there. If I can turn it at an angle so you can see the like pre-crackling paint that they put on here, right here. So it's supposed to look like it's been dead stock since 1985. But that's not even the best part. One of my favorite parts, if you go to the bottom of your box, under the paper, they have the Sandy Bros. They have like a Sandy Bros bill of sale. So I believe that's August 30th, 1986. Whoever Paul is, Air Jordan basketball shoes, paid cash, final sale, paid and received by Leah, whatever. But this is what Sandy Bros receipts looked like back in the 80s. And that was one of the original stores that sold to Shoe at the time for $60 basically. So this is vintage, and it's super, super cool. So I'm gonna keep this in here at the bottom. And as far as storage, obviously I don't keep all the boxes to my Jordans. The only boxes I do keep are the special edition boxes. So obviously this box I'm for sure keeping. I'd be out of my rabbit ass mind if I didn't keep the box of this one. What's that? Oh, we're good. But for like anything that comes in a normal Jordan box, I don't keep. But this is definitely a box I'm gonna keep just because of it's really about the story with these shoes. This is the original. If you guys know about the shoe game, Jordan shoe brand. It is what it is because of this shoe that came out over 20 years ago, or about 20 years ago. The original, the very first Jordan shoe that started it all for what the sneaker game is the way it is today. Started off with this, not this specific shoe, but this style, the shoe this is supposed to replicate. So I am gonna throw my laces up, throw these on, and do an on-foot review. And again, you guys know how we go. I'm gonna alternate the laces since they both come with, because I usually do the left foot, the laces that come with them stays, and then the alternate here, but they both have both of them on here. So I'm probably just gonna do black on the left, white on the right. Maybe. I'll figure it out. And then I'll do an on-foot review. So I got them on foot. Sorry, it's gonna be tricky because I'm using this big ass iPad instead of my phone. But they're actually a lot more comfortable than I thought they'd be. Because Nike, the past few years, have been dropping their retros with the tumble leather, so they're not as stiff, and their insoles are seeming to get more comfortable. So as you guys notice, I put the white laces on the left foot because the white was down here and the black was in the second hole. So I treated the white as the original lace. So I treated the black as the alternate, because for you guys that don't know or people watching, I put the alternate lace on the right foot anytime a shoe comes with alternate laces. But yeah, I'm loving the look. They definitely look worn with that crackle look. And again, this isn't a white. It looks like that because I have the flash on or the light on. It's really like a cream off-white. But I love them on foot. Let me know what you guys think. And I'm excited to put these in the rotation and step out in them at some point. I am going to wear my shoes. I know people like to buy these and just sit on them, but not I. I will be wearing these, and let me know what you guys think, and we're out.